Okay, so it is snowing outside, and this is Alabama, so it doesn't really snow. Now you can see. Yeah, it is like, it was blizzarding like a second ago. So this is gonna be a fun video to make in the snow. Okay, we're at the top of a hill. AJ's coming soon, so I'm just gonna do this. This is depressing. I'm playing in the snow by myself. All right.
And I was like, I just want to touch you. Are you videoing?
Sydney! Hi. How I slide into my girls' DMs. And this is how AJ slides into girls' DMs. This is pretty realistic.
Yeah? I'd say
And seek in the woods. Molds. A Beatles dam. Not looking too good. Keller and AJ and the other kid. What's his name?
Ben.
And Ben is back there. No, Ben's brother.
Ben's brother. We don't know the name of.
We have food. We have a lifetime supply.
Still melts, you know. It's our food. My hands are like crusted over, bro.
They're over there, making their way. He's right there. Go, 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 go! Run. You have to tag us! Bog! Bog!
Down here.
Down here. Go, this way. It's slippery. They're going. Sit down. Alright. They know we went from there. Yeah, they know we went this way. Holy cow, cinematic looks correct. We're inside this bush. Wait, I have an idea.
It's a nice camera angles.
Alright, now we can.
Stop! Oh, sorry. Don't do me next.
Oh my gosh, y'all are so gay. I'm filming this. No! AJ! Oh.
Stop! Get me off!
Ah! I saved you.
Ah!
I just got my stuff thought out.
I love you.